Most traders are completely confused about breaker blocks. They mix them up with order blocks, treat every failed candle as a breaker, and end up forcing trades that were never meant to be taken. The truth is, most traders misidentify breaker blocks because they don't understand the one thing that actually creates them: a failed order block followed by an aggressive institutional displacement. And that single misunderstanding causes them to miss some of the cleanest continuation setups the market offers. So in this video, I'm going to cut through all the noise and give you a crystal clear roadmap that shows exactly what a breaker block is, how it forms, why institutions rely on it, and why it often catches the real move before retail traders even realize what's happening. Because while everyone else is staring at order blocks hoping for a reversal, breaker blocks reveal where smart money is trapping retail, sweeping liquidity, and preparing for the true continuation. Today, you'll finally see the entry model institutions quietly use while the rest of the market reacts too late. What is breaker block? A breaker block is created when a previous order block, an area where the market attempted to reverse, fails completely and gets taken out by strong institutional momentum. Instead of acting as a reversal point, that same zone becomes the exact level where price returns to continue the trend. In other words, the market originally tried to change direction from that order block, but institutions deliberately pushed through it, sweeping liquidity above or below it, and flipping that failed reversal zone into a powerful continuation zone. This is where the manipulation happens. Smart money uses the original order block to trap early traders, grab their stops, and then use that same area as a reentry point once the liquidity is collected. That's why breaker blocks are so important. They don't just show you where the market failed to reverse. They show you where institutions intend to continue moving the trend, making them one of the cleanest and most reliable continuation models in all of SMC. The anatomy of breaker block. A true breaker block only forms when a very specific sequence of events unfolds, and understanding this anatomy is what separates accurate identification from pure guessing. First, the market creates an order block, a zone where price attempted to reverse and where retail traders usually expect a major shift. Then comes the key moment. That order block gets violated aggressively by a strong institutional move, completely invalidating the idea of a reversal and showing that smart money has no intention of turning the market around. As price smashes through the zone, it grabs the liquidity sitting above or below the order block, stop losses, breakout entries, and trap positions, all of which fuel the next leg of the trend. After this liquidity sweep, price doesn't just run away. It returns to the same zone it just destroyed, and this is where the transformation happens. That old order block is no longer a reversal zone. It has flipped into a breaker block, a continuation zone. And here's where traders get trapped. Retail sees this return as a retest of the broken level, believing a reversal might still happen, while institutions are actually reloading positions to continue moving in the same direction. This psychological trap is exactly why breaker blocks work so consistently. They exploit retail expectations while revealing institutional intent. Breaker block entry model. Once the breaker block is confirmed, execution becomes simple, mechanical, and highly precise. First, mark the breaker block clearly on your chart, the exact zone where the failed order block flipped into continuation structure. Then all you do is wait patiently for price to return to that breaker, because institutions almost always come back to rebalance that zone before continuing the move. As price taps into the breaker, drop to a lower time frame and look for a clean change of character. This is your confirmation that the market is shifting from the pullback back into the trend. Once that lower time frame shift appears, you enter at the midpoint or the open of the breaker block, allowing the market to wick into the zone and pick up remaining institutional orders. Your stop loss goes safely beyond the wick of the breaker block, protecting you from noise while maintaining tight risk. And your target is straightforward. Aim for the next liquidity pool in the direction of the trend, whether that's equal highs, equal lows, an inefficiency, or a previous structural high or low. Following this sequence turns the breaker entry into a clean, repeatable, high-probability setup that follows institutional footprints instead of guessing. Breaker blocks are powerful because they expose what most traders never see, not where the market might reverse, but where institutions have already decided to continue the trend. When an order block fails, liquidity is swept, and that same zone flips into a breaker. The market is clearly showing its hand. By learning to wait for the violation, the return, and a lower time frame change of character, you stop reacting emotionally and start trading with structure and logic. This strategy removes guessing, filters weak setups, and puts you on the same side as smart money instead of fighting it. Master this model, backtest it properly, and you'll start seeing breaker blocks everywhere. Not as confusion on the chart, but as some of the cleanest, most reliable entries the market can offer.